Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to download and install Anaconda tool for Python. So friends, Anaconda is an open source software which is very useful and user friendly. It's very easy to use for Python beginners. If you want to learn Python, if you want to do Python programming, then you should use this tool. Okay, so let me show you how to download it first of all, friends. So friends, first of all, in Google type here download Anaconda. Okay, click here download Anaconda. Now we have to click on first link here. Okay, click here. Now you can see Anaconda tool here, okay, which is open source, user friendly and trusted. Okay, so you can see here we can download from here. It's include Python 3.9. okay, so its size is 621 MB. If you want to download for Mac and Linux, then you can select this. Okay, so I have to download for Windows here. Now click here to download. Now friends, you can see it's downloading now. Let it complete. Now you can see it's downloaded here. Now click here and you can see exe file. Now friends, just double click on it to install. Now friends, you can see welcome to Anaconda 3. Okay, setup will start here. Now click on next. Now select agree or user agreement. Let it just me and click on next. Now click on next. If you want to install on different path, you can select here. Okay, so space required is 3.7 MB. okay, now click on next. Now select here register Anaconda is my default Python. Okay, now click on next. Now it's installing here. Now friends, now we have to click on next here. Now finish. Okay, Anaconda distribution tutorial, getting started with Anaconda. Click on finish. Now friends, let me show you Anaconda installed here. Okay, let me type here Anaconda. So you can see Anaconda prompt and Anaconda navigator. Okay, also you can see Jupyter notebook. Okay, first we have to type click on Anaconda prompt. Okay, we'll show you about Anaconda version and other things. Okay, we can open Jupyter from here, or we can also open Jupyter from Anaconda prompt here. I will show you. Just click here. So friends, you can see this is Anaconda prompt here. We can check our Python version from here. We can check like Python -- version. Okay, so you can see my Python version is 3.9.13. So friend, let me show you Anaconda information here, Anaconda version and other things. Okay, Anaconda -- version. Okay, so friends, you can see Anaconda version is 22.9.0. okay, now we can check Anaconda info. So Anaconda info, so you will get info about Conda. So you can see version 22.9, Conda built version is 3.22. so you can see channel URLs here, packages. So you can see we have packages here. Okay, packages installed here. So friends, here is information of Anaconda. Okay, install packages is it's showing here. So this package will help when you will create Python program. Okay, also let me show you how to install any package. So like we can install package NumPy. Okay, install NumPy, press enter. Now it will install here. Internet should be on your PC. So you can see NumPy package is installing. Okay, proceed. You want to proceed? Yes. Now you can see package installed here. Okay, so now friends, let me show you how to open Anaconda Jupyter. In Jupyter notebook, we can create program and run program from there. So you can also open Jupyter notebook from here, or you can also Anaconda Jupyter notebook. Okay, you can also open from here. So let's see from command prompt. Now press enter. So you will see Jupyter notebook will open. So on which browser you want to open? So I am selecting your Google Chrome. I want to open in. You can open in Visual Studio also. So I am going to select Google Chrome. Okay, now you can see Jupyter notebook opened here. Now, so you can see we have to select path here where we can put our files. So I'm going to select desktop. Okay, in desktop we'll create new. Now friends, on desktop we have to create a folder on which we can store our program. Okay, so new folder, I have to rename this folder. Select this and rename Python. Okay, TechNet Python. Now click on rename. So you can see file renamed here. Now just select this file. Okay, click here. Now we can create Python program here. Now click on new. Now friends, click on new and select Python 3. So you can see this is Jupyter notebook here. We can run program here like print. We can print welcome to YouTube channel. Print welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Now we can click on run. It will print. So so friends, you can see it's print here. Welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Now we can test another program 3 plus 3. Now click on run. So you can see 3 plus 3 6. Okay, we can run another program like 3 into 3 2, 3 into 4. Now we can also press shift plus enter. Okay, shift plus enter, it will be evaluate. So now let me show you. We can define variable here like x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Okay, so x plus y, shift plus enter, run. Okay, so you can see 5. So friends, you can see Python is very interesting language. We can do multiple things. So friends, we can program with a fun. Okay, in Python. So friends, you can see now my file is unsaved. Okay, so now I have to save this file for future use. Okay, now we have to click on save and checkpoint. Okay, just click here, save and checkpoint. So you can see file is saved. We can check our file TechNet Python. Okay, so you can see my file is saved here. Okay, we can rename this file. So friends, you can see it's no any name here, so we can rename this file from here also, like file and rename like tech basic lab basic program. Okay, now click on rename. Now click on save again. So you will see your file is renamed here. Okay, basic program. Okay, now friends, let me show you how to open other tools Anaconda. Okay, so let me type here Anaconda. Okay, Anaconda. So we can see Anaconda navigator. Just click here. So we will see we have multiple tools installed with Anaconda. Okay, so you can see it's opening, initializing, adding features, loading users. So friends, you can see we have multiple tools: data spell, CMD docs, Jupyter lab, Jupyter notebook, PowerShell, PyCharm. Okay, we have multiple tools, Spider. Okay, so we have multiple tools. We can launch. Just click here. We have to click here to launch. Okay, If you want to install data spell, just we have to click on install here. Now this tool by default installed here, Jupyter Lab Notebook. And if you want to install Orange 3, you can install it. PyCharm, you can install it. Okay, so friends, let me show you another tool, PyCharm here. Launch PyCharm community. So you can see PyCharm installed here. Okay, so we can create new project here. Like, let me show you how to create new project. New. Now friends, click here, file, and click on new. Okay, new file, new Python file. So we have to select new Python file. Okay, so like demo lab. So no need to give a Python extension because it's already Python file. Click here, enter, just press enter. So you will see Python installed here. So we can just run. So we can see it's working or not. Print hello TechNet guide. Okay, now press enter. Now we can run here. Just click here to run this program. So you can see hello TechNet guide. Means friends, this program is working. Okay, now we can print here like 5 plus 5. No, click on run here and you will get 5 plus 5 10. Okay, means it is working, friends. Okay, so friends, in this video we have seen how to install Anaconda, Jupyter and PyCharm in Windows 10. Okay, so friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.